Hey, good morning, good evening, everyone. Just a quick update today on the ERAS, ERAS, Eraska Inc. Common. Um, wow, I mean, pretty interesting. So, I got in with 350 shares at 361, $3.61. So it was about $1,000, I guess, just over trade. And this big gap up, a little, not a big gap up, and it doesn't look like a big gap up now, but this little gap up here, and it just blew up, which was really exciting. So I got in just a few days before, but I noticed there was sort of this big pivot point down here, which changed the momentum. It starts to go, and then it went all the way up to a 91% trade in the matter of 1, 2, 3 days. And I thought that, I've got almost 100% trade here. I'm going to lock in those gains. And right enough, incredibly, the next day it dropped right down I moved my stop loss up really close to 675. And right enough, it dropped right down the next day, which was incredible timing. But the next day, it just rocketed up. And now it is at a staggering um, it's post market, it's almost at $10, which is 172% trade. So absolutely mind blowing. Who knows where it will go next? Probably to $100. Should I get back in? I am quite tempted. I wasn't tempted to get in here, but if I had, I would have gotten in here probably the next day, and you'd be looking at another 27% on top of the 100. So that would have been 130%, so still pretty decent, but I prefer locking in those gains. I would not have surprised if it came. I was expecting it to come all the way back, probably down to the moving average around $4, maybe $5. I thought it was going to come back down here, but it's just gone off. It will come down eventually because that's what stocks do, and it's way up at historical highs. Who would have thought that? 86. But just an absolutely amazing trade that. One of the few I'd mentioned over the last couple of weeks, and this is what trading is all about, this wonderful explosion where it's trading at, up here you can see in the top left, it's trading at about 2 million every day, and then suddenly we get this 40 million explosion. So someone just absolutely killing it, and they bought all this for 40 million. They dropped 200 million in here, this big player, 200 mil, and from there it's gone up. They've almost doubled their amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. In 6 days, someone has made almost $200 million. Extraordinary. So this is what's exciting about small caps, these big explosions, and sometimes it really, really works. So keep waiting for breakouts, keep enjoying your trading, keep things simple. Peace and love, and see you next time.